Hi there, this is Josh Fisher from Artsmith Media. I just want to take a little time today to show you how the back end of our systems work. Often we get a lot of compliments for the designs of our websites, and we take a lot of pride in that. People compliment us on the look and the feel of the sites. We spend a lot of time thinking about usability and thinking about the user experience. It's really important to us to make sure that the sites look and feel professional and match the branding of our clients. The one thing you can't see though from the front end of a site is how the content is being managed on the back end. And often we go live with sites with clients, and then when we hand the site over to them and start introducing them to how to manage all of the content, they comment on how easy the process is. So it's something I wanted to introduce people to today. So here we are on the Virginia Dental Association website. This is one of our new clients. We just went live with their site about a month ago. On the site, I'm going to go ahead and go to the login page. And here I'm just going to punch in my credentials. Once I log in, it's going to take me to my profile page. And you'll see, in addition to the profile information that's specific to me, you also have this new admin menu at the top of the screen. This admin menu will give you access to all of your content, all the configuration settings, things like that throughout the site. And this is pretty much how you're going to navigate through the content management. So just as an example, let's go to the events section of the site. We're going to look at the calendar. Now, the calendar, this is a great example because something like this would be very difficult to manage with just HTML. Well, we worked really hard to make the process as easy as possible for users. Let's take this event here. We're going to open this up and just look at this on the back end just so you can see how it works. With this event, you see all the typical information: title of the event, the date that it's happening, the time, location, some more information. There's even a link, like a call to action to go and find out more information. Now let's take a look at what that looks like on the back end. If we go up here and just click on edit, it's going to take you into the content editing area, and you'll see that everything is just made up of fields. So the title is a field. You can choose the type of the event. If you wanted to, the region, filling out the dates for the event. Everything is here just in these fields that you fill out. It's like filling out a form. And when you get to the bottom of the page, once you're done filling everything out, you just hit save. And that's how we have all of the content set up throughout the entire site. If we were going to create a new event, we would go to Content, Add Content, Event. And just before I dive into that, just take notice, we have these content types developed for all different types of content. You have news, photo galleries, files, blog, classified postings, pretty much any type of content that's going to be added to the site over and over again. We just develop these content types for them. So you'll see here, when you go to Content, Add Content, and then Event, it's just going to take you to one of these forms, and you just fill out the form. Basically, you're just answering all the questions. And once you're done filling this out, you hit save, and the site is going to it's going to save that information in the actual event page itself, but it's also going to aggregate the information on the calendar. It'll put it in the sidebars if you want it to. Maybe on the home page you want to talk about events. The system's going to do that all for you. So there's not a whole lot that you have to do. And the really great thing here is that the system, from what we've been told by our clients, is so easy to use that people are up and running with it very quickly and easily. In addition to walking our clients through these systems, we also put together a PDF manual with screenshots that educate them on how to use the system. And in addition to that, we'll sometimes put together screencasts like this one that will walk people through the process of doing things. So just again, these content types, this is really the power behind this management system. And the same form is used for all the different content types. So you go to blog, you just have more information, different information for blogs that you're filling out. For example, with this one, we even set a launch date and time. So if someone wanted to write a blog article, but they didn't want it to go live until maybe next week, you can actually go into the system here and just set a date for when you want it to publish. Some of the other content types, these guys have classified postings. Again, you're just going through and you're answering all the questions, and once you hit save, it goes live. So this is something we're really proud of, and obviously not everyone gets a chance to see it, so I wanted to put this together today to kind of show people how it all works. If you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can email me directly at joshfisher@artsmithmedia.com. Thanks so much for your time, and hopefully we will hear from you soon.